Imagine a world where those unending maintenance tasks seem to magically manage themselves. No more juggling spreadsheets, drowning in paperwork, or losing track of scheduled tasks. This isn't a dream. It's the reality made possible by Greskit CMMS. Greskit CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, is a dynamic tool designed to streamline the way maintenance operations are managed. It's a solution built with the understanding that efficiency and organization are at the heart of successful maintenance management. One of the key features of Greskit CMMS is its ability to automate preventive maintenance. With this tool, maintenance managers can schedule routine maintenance tasks in advance, ensuring they're never missed. No more surprise equipment breakdowns or costly urgent repairs. Just set the schedule and Greskit CMMS takes care of the rest. But Greskit CMMS doesn't stop at scheduling. It's a comprehensive management system offering a centralized database for all things maintenance related. From equipment and parts inventories to maintenance histories and reports, everything is neatly organized and easily accessible. No more sifting through stacks of paperwork or struggling with outdated systems. Just the information you need, when and where you need it. Another standout feature of Greskit CMMS is its mobile accessibility. Maintenance doesn't always happen in the office, and neither should your management system. With Greskit CMMS, you can access your maintenance data from anywhere, at any time. This means you can make informed decisions on the go and react quickly to any issues that arise. And let's not forget about Greskit CMMS's incredible reporting capabilities. This tool doesn't just collect data, it uses it to generate detailed reports and analytics. These insights can help managers identify trends, spot potential issues, and make data-driven decisions. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your entire operation. In conclusion, Greskit CMMS isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's designed to simplify, streamline, and optimize your maintenance operations. It's about working smarter, not harder. And the best part, it's ready for you to try it out. So why wait? Step into the future of maintenance management. Experience the power of automation, the convenience of a centralized database, the freedom of mobile access, and the clarity of detailed analytics. It's time to discover what Greskit CMMS can do for you. It's time to redefine the way you manage maintenance. It's time to try Greskit CMMS.